अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं वफ़ा लंगा आपको अपने चैनल ग्रामर इन डिटेल में खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं छठा टेंस जो है द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, फेले हाल मुकम्मल। एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में इनके सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनते हैं इनको हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे। एक्टिव वॉइस में हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि सब्जेक्ट जुमले में काम करता है और पैसिव वॉइस में मुतासिर होता है। जब वो मुतासिर होता है उसे काम करवाया जाता है, वहाँ पे हम उसको एजेंट कहते हैं। रूल्स में हम ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस लेक्चर में पढ़ चुके हैं कि सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आता है तो एजेंट बनता है। जब ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आता है तो वहाँ पे वो टाइटल सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, यानी डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन नहीं होगा बल्कि टाइटल सब्जेक्ट या टॉपिक सब्जेक्ट कहलाएगा। याद रखें, यहाँ पे आपका सब्जेक्ट डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन है और यहाँ पे ये ऑब्जेक्ट है जिस पे काम हो रहा है, काम करने वाला जिस पे काम हो रहा है। लेकिन यहाँ पे जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं और काम इससे करवाया जा रहा है, सो ये फर्क होगा। इनको हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। सिंपल सेंटेंसेस होते क्या है? वो जुमले जो सादा बयान जाहिर करते हो, विच मेक सिंपल स्टेटमेंट आर कॉल्ड सिंपल सेंटेंसेस। फार्मूला क्या है? सब्जेक्ट हेल्पिंग और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट फुल स्टॉप, और पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट हेल्पिंग और बीइंग थर्ड फॉर्म बाय एजेंट और फुल स्टॉप। अली हैज क्लियर्ड एग्जाम्स, अली इम्तिहान पास कर चुका है। एग्जाम्स हैव बीन क्लियर्ड बाय अली, अली से इम्तिहान पास किए जा चुके हैं या करवाए जा चुके हैं। वी हैव इनकरेज्ड हर, हम उसको तसल्ली दे चुके हैं। शी हैज बीन इनकरेज्ड बाय अस, उसे हमसे तसल्ली दिलवाई जा चुकी है। नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वो जुमले जिनमें हम बयान को इनकार करते हैं, रद्द करते हैं, नहीं मानते हैं, इन विच वी रिजेक्ट, रिफ्यूज और डिनाई दी स्टेटमेंट। अली हैज नॉट क्लियर्ड एग्जाम्स, अली इम्तिहान पास नहीं कर चुका है। एग्जाम्स हैव नॉट बीन क्लियर्ड बाय अली, अली से इम्तिहान पास नहीं किए जा चुके हैं। वी हैव नॉट इनकरेज्ड हर, हम उसे तसल्ली नहीं दे चुके हैं। शी हैज नॉट बीन इनकरेज्ड बाय अस, उसे हमसे तसल्ली नहीं दिलवाई जा चुकी है। इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वो जुमले जिनमें हम सवाल पूछते हैं। एज अली क्लियर्ड एग्जाम्स, के अली इम्तिहान पास कर चुका है। हैव एग्जाम्स बीन क्लियर्ड बाय अली, के अली से इम्तिहान पास किए जा चुके हैं। हैव वी इनकरेज्ड हर, क्या हम उसे तसल्ली दे चुके हैं। एज शी बीन इनकरेज्ड बाय अस, क्या उसे हमसे तसल्ली दिलवाई जा चुकी है। फॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस दो सेंटेंसेस इन विच वी आस्क क्वेश्चन एंड डिनाई द स्टेटमेंट एंड वी आस्क देम इन अ फॉर्मल वे रिस्पेक्टिव वे। एज अली नॉट क्लियर्ड एग्जाम्स, के अली इम्तिहान पास नहीं कर चुका है। हैव एग्जाम्स नॉट बीन क्लियर्ड बाय अली, क्या इम्तिहान अली से पास नहीं किए जा चुके हैं। हैव वी नॉट इनकरेज्ड हर, क्या हम उसे तसल्ली नहीं दे चुके हैं। हैज शी नॉट बीन इनकरेज्ड बाय अस, क्या उसे हमसे तसल्ली नहीं दिलवाई जा चुकी है। Informal sentences those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement and we ask them in a informal way। वो जुमले जिनमें हम सवाल पूछते हैं, बयान को इनकार करते हैं, उन्हें हम गैर रस्मी तरीके से, बेअदबी तरीके से, अपने से छोटों के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इनफॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस कहलाते हैं। लाइक एजेंट अली क्लियर्ड एग्जाम्स, के अली इम्तिहान पास नहीं कर चुका है। हैवंट एग्जाम्स बीइंग क्लियर्ड बाय अली, क्या इम्तिहान अली से नहीं पास किए जा चुके हैं या क्लियर नहीं हो चुके हैं उनसे। हैवंट वी इनकरेज्ड हर, क्या हम उसे तसल्ली नहीं दे चुके हैं। हैजंट शी बीन इनकरेज्ड बाय अस, क्या उसे हमसे तसल्ली नहीं दिलवाई जा चुकी है। ये हुए आपके प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस के सेंटेंसेस। मेन थिंग है देखिए, हम कॉर्नर वर्ब में बार बार प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। अगर स्टूडेंट्स इस तरह बार बार प्रैक्टिस करें, शुरू में उनको काफ़ी मुश्किलात तो पेश आएंगी, लेकिन जब आप बार बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपको कोई भी मसला नहीं होगा। आज के कॉर्नर वर्ब में हम फर्स्ट वर्ब लिखेंगे, वो है बाय। सेकंड वर्ब होगा हमारे पास स्टील, और थर्ड वर्ब है हमारे पास गाइड। चौथा वर्ब है हमारे पास वैक्स। वैक्स के मानिए तंग करना, टीज की जगह पे आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं। और पांचवा वर्ब हम लेंगे वो है कट। बाय के जुमले बनाएंगे। आज हमारे पास 6 टेंसेस है, तो हमारे एक वर्ब के कितने सेंटेंसेस होंगे? 30। सो लेट्स बिगिन। मैं कहता हूँ आई बाय अ वॉच। Watch is bought by me, watch is not bought by me, is watch bought by me, is watch not bought by me, isn't watch bought by me, watch was bought by me, watch was not bought by me, was watch bought by me, was watch not bought by me, wasn't watch bought by me, watch will be bought by me, watch will not be bought by me, will watch be bought by me, will watch not be bought by me, won't watch be bought by me, watch is being bought by me, watch is not being bought by me, is watch being bought by me, is watch not being bought by me, isn't watch being bought by me, watch was being bought by me, watch was not being bought by me, was watch being bought by me, was watch not being bought by me, wasn't watch being bought by me। watch has been bought by me, watch has not been bought by me, is watch as watch been bought by me, as watch not been bought by me, hasn't watch been bought by me. steal हमारे पास सेकंड वर्ब है जिसकी मानी है चोरी करना, जैसे मैं कहता हूँ he steals a car is stolen by him, car is not stolen by him, is car stolen by him, is car not stolen by him, isn't car stolen by him, car was stolen by him, car was not stolen by him, was car stolen by him, was car not stolen by him, wasn't car stolen by him, car will be stolen by him, car will not be stolen by him, will car be stolen by him, won't car be stolen by him, car is being stolen by him, car is not being stolen by him, is car being stolen by him, is car not being stolen by him, isn't car being stolen by him, car was being stolen by him, car was not being stolen by him, was car being stolen by him, was car not being stolen by him, wasn't car being stolen by him, car has been stolen by him, car has not been stolen by him, has car been stolen by him, has car not been stolen by him, hasn't car been stolen by him. Guide you, okay, you guide him, he is guided by you, he is not guided by you, is he guided by you, is he not guided by you, isn't he guided by you, he was guided by you, he was not guided by you, was he guided by you, was he not guided by you, wasn't he guided by you, he will be guided by you, he will not be guided by you, will he be guided by you, will he not be guided by you, won't he be guided by you, he has been guided by you, he is being guided by you, he is not being guided by you, is he being guided by you, is he not being guided by you, isn't he being guided by you, he was being guided by you, he was not being guided by you, was he being guided by you, was he not being guided by you, wasn't he being guided by you, he has been guided by you, he has not been guided by you, is he not being guided by you, isn't he being guided by you. wax के मानी है तंग करना, जैसे मैं कहता हूँ I, okay, he wax you, you are vexed by him, you are not vexed by him, are you vexed by him, are you not vexed by him, aren't you vexed by him, you were vexed by him, you are not vexed by him, were you vexed by him, were you not vexed by him, weren't you vexed by him, you will be vexed by him, you will not be vexed by him, will you be vexed by him, will you not be vexed by him, won't you be vexed by him, you are being vexed by him, you are not being vexed by him, are you being vexed by him, are you not being vexed by him, aren't you being vexed by him, you were being vexed by him, you were not being vexed by him, were you being vexed by him, were you not being vexed by him, weren't you being vexed by him, you have been vexed by him, you have not been vexed by him, have you been vexed by him, have you not been vexed by him, haven't you been vexed by him, you have been vexed by him, you have not been vexed by him, have you been vexed by him, have you not been vexed by him, haven't you been vexed by him. लास्ट वर्ब है हमारे पास कट, जैसे मैं कहता हूँ you cut the, okay, he cuts the tree, tree is cut by him, tree is not cut by him, is tree cut by him, is tree not cut by him, is tree cut by him, tree was cut by him, tree was not cut by him, was tree cut by him, was tree not cut by him, wasn't tree cut by him, tree will be cut by him, tree will not be cut by him, will tree be cut by him, will tree not be cut by him, won't tree be cut by him, tree is being cut by him, tree is not being cut by him, is tree being cut by him, is tree not being cut by him, isn't tree being cut by him, tree was being cut by him, tree was not being cut by him, was tree being cut by him, was tree not being cut by him, wasn't tree cut by him, being cut by him, tree has been cut by him, tree has not been cut by him, is tree, has tree being tree was being cut by him, tree was not being cut by him, wasn't tree being cut by him, tree has been cut by him, tree has not been cut by him, has tree been cut by him, has tree not been cut by him, hasn't tree been cut by him. So in this way, you know, हमारे पास कितने सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस हुई आज, 150 सेंटेंसेस की. अगर आप इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करेंगे डेली बेसिस में तो आपको काफ़ी इंप्रूवमेंट होगी. मिलते हैं अगले लेक्चर में अपने नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस के साथ. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह ने के बाद.